Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to record computer screen using OBS. So if you want to record your computer screen with OBS, then let me walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, let me tell you that the video you're watching is being recorded using OBS. You see that? So this is my OBS and this is capturing my entire screen. So if you want to replicate the same thing to record your computer screen, laptop screen, either Windows 10 or Windows 11 using OBS, then let me show you what you simply need to do. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open a browser. On the browser, you want to search for OBS Studio or OBS Studio Download. Now, on the OBS Studio Download, you have access to download various versions of OBS. OBS for Windows 10, OBS for Windows 11, OBS for Mac, OBS for Ubuntu or Linux. So in this case, just go ahead and go to the OBS download website. Now, on the download page, this is what you're going to say. You should say download OBS Studio. Then you need to select your operating system. Mark you, if while you click on OBS project download, and you have been taken to the home page just like this. You also simply need to click on your operating system here. You can click on Windows, Mac, or Linux. At the same time, you can click on download on the navigation menu at the top right, and this will take you to where to download the OBS Studio for your PC. Then go ahead and click on download installer. Then once you click on download installer, you'll see a new page opens, and then thank you for downloading OBS Studio. And then the OBS is going to start downloading here. Now I've already downloaded this OBS software on my PC. I can easily go to where the OBS is downloaded to install it. So let's go ahead and install the OBS. Now I want to go ahead and open the download folder on your computer. So just go to your download folder. In this case, I have my download folder here. Then I simply need to scroll down to where the OBS Studio is. And I can also search for the OBS Studio by coming to where to say search download, then search for OBS. Then I have the installer. Now what you want to do is you want to double click the installer, click on yes from the pop, and then click on next. As you can see, OBS is already running. Please close it before installing a new version. So follow the on-screen instruction to install the OBS on your PC. And once you're done installing OBS on your PC, now the next thing you want to do is you want to set up OBS to record your PC screen. And this is what you need to do. So in this case, go ahead and open the OBS software. You can see OBS is running. Unless you meet to do this, please shut down an existing instance of you before trying to run a new instance. If you have OBS set to minimize to the system triplet, so click on launch anyway. So this is to tell you that you can launch multiple OBS at the same time. So you can see now I have two OBS running. So you can launch multiple OBS at the same time. Now, once you launch your OBS, you're probably not going to see the source. You can see I have source in my own case, which is my OBS setup. And there are just three things I need to record my PC screen using OBS. The first one is I want to capture the entire screen. You can see when I highlight it, it shows the entire screen on my PC. Then the system sound shows that my OBS is currently recording. Again, you can see I have microphone. So if I want to use an external microphone with OBS, with microphone added, I can easily record my PC screen using an external microphone. Now, you need to add all of this manually. In your own case, display capture, system sound, and microphone are not going to be there. So, what you need to do is this. Click on this plus button under source. So let me go ahead and hide all of this, assuming nothing is there. Then click on this plus button. Now, locate and click on display capture. Then here you should see create new. You want to go ahead and give your display capture a name. In this case, you can just give it your laptop screen. Just give it a name where you can use to identify the purpose on OBS. So in this case, let's say my PC screen. So click on OK. Then select OK as well. Now you should see my PC screen added. Again, click on the plus button. You want to add audio input and audio output. So click on audio input. Your audio input is your microphone. So go ahead and type your microphone. Click on OK. If you have an existing microphone, just leave it. Then you can see I have it already. So now give your audio input a name. Let's say my microphone. So with this, I'll be able to identify what this is standing for. Then you can say use device timestamp or default. So can select your microphone from the list, but since you'll be using different microphone if possible, just go ahead and set this to default. Click on OK again. And again, the last thing is you want to do is your audio output. Then again, just say my audio output. Then click on OK. Then click on OK again to set this as default. Now to start recording your OBS, just come here and click on start recording. Then you should say recording. Now, if you want to stop activity on the screen, maybe you want to quickly pause the OBS, then just come here and click on this button. It's going to pause the OBS. Then you should say pause, and instantly OBS will stop recording your PC screen. To resume again, resume. Then you should say the OBS recording again. Now, once you're done recording, you want to stop the recordings, just go ahead and click on stop recordings. You should say stop recordings. Now, if you click on files, at the top left, click on show recordings. And then you choose to scroll down, then you're going to see your OBS file in MKV file. You can go ahead, open this on your media player, your PC, and it's going to show what's recorded on OBS. Now this is it. If you are unable to open or use the OBS after recordings, you can easily convert the OBS file output, which is MKV to MP4, by clicking on files at top left, select remote recordings, then come here and then select the file you want to convert from MKV to MP4. Then you see the output here. Click on remorse. Then this is going to remorse and convert the files from MKV to MP4. Then click on OK. Now if you go to this file, click on show recordings. Now scroll down and then you should see your MP4 file that you recorded. Then go ahead and open with your choice of media player. Now once open it, this is going to play on the media player. You see that?
Alright guys.
And that's it. Now, the next thing you want to do is, while using OBS and you want to exit. Now, once you are done using OBS and you want to exit, all you simply need to do is click on the exit button. This. And this is going to exit the OBS that you used to record your screen. And these settings are going to be saved. Now, when next you want to use OBS, you can now come back to the OBS application. Just launch your OBS. And then click on start recording to start recording your PC screen using OBS. And that's it. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.